Yo, what's up, guys? Real is all I can be. You already know it's your boy. Hey, guys, today I want to come to you and talk to you about how you can earn some real money, some good money. And this is legit. You can earn like $50+ a day. Just put in a little bit of work. All right, this site is called PayLeaf. Now, PayLeaf is a earning. You can earn. It's a site that helps you save money and earn money as well. You know, for the important things in life, just like you see right here in front of your face. Maybe you're saving for a baby, wedding, vacation, anything. You can hit other right here if you want, and you can type in something else. You know, you can use the savings calculator, and you're gonna enter your savings amount. All right. So this is a savings platform. It's the first savings platform of its kind. Soon you're going to see others trying to copycat and do what PayLeaf is doing, but you can also earn money. So let's jump into that. That's what we're here for. So guys, you can earn money there are multiple ways you can earn money. You can earn money by promoting content. You can earn money by promoting PayLeaf's partner branded products. You can also earn money by referring people, guys. And referring is real nice. It's the fastest, it's the best way to do it. Now, guys, for each referral, you're going to get $5. Each referral, you're going to get $5. So you're going to get your referral link. You can shorten it. Best way, shorten your link. Post it on Facebook. Share it with your friends, family, whatever you want. Whoever signs up under you, for each person that signs up under you, you're going to get $5. Now, once you sign up, hit the link in the description, sign up with my link. And guys, once you sign up, you have to link your bank account. That's how you get paid. That's how you get paid when your referrals sign up under you. You have to use your bank account. So don't forget about that, guys. This is a good way to earn. It's a fast way to earn. Do it. All right, guys, I'm getting out of here. If you want more money making videos, I'm going to bring you some really, really good videos. And I'm not talking about these boring surveys. Subscribe, hit the bell, like my videos, and I'm going to give you some more good videos coming up soon. All right, guys.